Top 3 Underrated Vietnamese Dishes. First of the list goes to duck bamboo shoots noodle. Bún Măng Vịt is a flavorful Vietnamese noodle soup featuring tender duck meat and bamboo shoots. Combined of rice vermicelli noodles with a rich, aromatic broth made from simmered duck bones and fragrant spices. The bamboo shoots add a unique texture and subtle sweetness, perfectly complementing the savory duck. Garnished with fresh herbs, scallions, and a hint of chili, Bún Măng Vịt offers a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Secondly, we have Vietnamese chicken rice. Vietnamese chicken rice, or Cơm Gà, is a delectable dish featuring tender poached chickens served over fragrant rice cooked in chicken broth. This beloved dish is often accompanied by a flavorful dipping sauce made from fish sauce, lime, garlic, and chili, adding a zesty kick. Garnished with fresh herbs like cilantro and mint, and often served with a side of pickled vegetables or a light chicken broth soup, Cơm Gà offers a perfect balance of savory, tangy, and aromatic flavors. Before we get into the third one, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more video about Vietnam. Number 3 is Vietnamese curry with coconut milk. Vietnamese coconut curry is a rich and aromatic dish that showcases the fusion of Vietnamese and Indian culinary influences. This hearty curry features tender pieces of chicken, beef, or vegetables simmered in a creamy coconut milk base, infused with a fragrant blend of lemongrass, garlic, ginger, and curry powder. Garnished with fresh cilantro and served with steamed rice or crusty baguette, Vietnamese coconut curry offers a delightful balance of sweetness, spice, and creaminess, making it a comforting and flavorful meal.